Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Sana. You are watching Sana Tech YouTube channel. In this video, I am going to teach you how to fix iPhone swipe up not working on iPhone after iOS 17 update without wasting any time. Let's start this video. Solution number 1 is start your iPhone. Firstly, tap on setting app. You can see appears on screen. Scroll up, tap on general. Scroll up, tap on shutdown. You can see appears on screen. Drag the slide to power off, slide to turn off your device, wait for few seconds and turn your device back on. And problem is fixed. If solution number 1 is not working, now applying the solution number 2. Solution number 2 is update your iPhone. Firstly, tap on setting app. You can see appears on screen. Scroll up, tap on general, tap on software update. If update is pending, download and install the update and problem is fixed. If solution number 2 is not working, now applying this solution number 3. Solution number 3 is check for accessibility. Firstly, tap on setting app. You can see appears on screen. Scroll up, tap on accessibility, tap on touch. You can see appears on screen and problem is fixed. If solution number 3 is not working, now applying this solution number 4. Solution number 4 is check for restrictions. Firstly, tap on setting app. You can see appears on screen. Tap on screen time. Tap on content and privacy restrictions. You can see appears on screen. Check for restrictions to confirm this action and problem is fixed. If solution number 4 is not working, now applying this solution number 5. Solution number 5 is reset all settings. Firstly, tap on setting app. You can see appears on screen. Tap on general. Scroll up, tap on transfer reset iPhone, tap on reset setting, tap on reset all settings, enter your iPhone passcode. You can see appears on screen. Reset all settings. This will reset all settings and your Apple Pay, cards, keys and passes will be removed. No data or media will be deleted. Tap on reset all settings to confirm this action and problem is fixed. If solution number 5 is not working, now applying this solution number 6. Solution number 6 is reset network setting. Firstly, tap on setting app, tap on general, tap scroll up, tap on transfer reset iPhone, tap on reset setting. You can see appears on screen. Reset network settings, tap on it. Enter your iPhone passcode. You can see appears on screen. Reset network settings. This will delete all network settings, returning them to factory defaults. Tap on reset network settings to confirm this action and problem is fixed. If all solutions are not working on your iPhone, simply contact support.apple.com and fix your problem. How to fix iPhone swipe up not working on iPhone after iOS 17 update is successfully. That's it. If the video helpful to you, please don't forget to share and subscribe my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.